loves me unconditionally. Friends who stand by me through every up and down faithfully. You've blessed me with a purpose, a calling that's clear, and you've equipped me with the gifts to fulfill my destiny this year. Your blessings on me, they overflow like a sea. I am surrounded by your goodness, and your love sets me free. You are my provider, my healer, my guiding light. Your blessings on me, they shine so bright. I don't deserve your goodness, but you give it to me anyway. I am humbled by your love, and I'll praise you every day. You are the source of every blessing, and I'll give you all the glory for the blessings that you've poured out on this life that I live in your story. Your blessings on me, they overflow like a sea. I am surrounded by your goodness, and your love sets me free. You are my provider, my healer, my guiding light. Your blessings on me, they shine so bright.